Apple gift card won't work on iPhone. If you're experiencing issues with redeeming an iTunes gift card on the App Store, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the problem. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Tap Language and Region. Tap Region. Now pay close attention. If you purchase a US-based iTunes gift card, make sure to select a US country from here, or if it's a different country, Solution 2. Verify the gift card code. Double-check the code you entered to ensure it is accurate and entered correctly. Pay attention to any letters or numbers that may look similar, such as 0 and O or 1 and I. Solution 3. Log in. Log out Apple ID. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, tap Logout. Wait a few moments. Now re-log in your Apple ID on your iPhone. Contact Apple support. If the above steps don't resolve the problem, it's advisable to get in touch with Apple support directly. They can assist you further in troubleshooting the issue and may be able to provide a resolution.